guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Over the Seas. Thanks a lot for 200 subscribers. Please keep supporting and please keep sharing our videos. So today we came to Mitsui Outlet Mall. This is very famous for discounts and branded items. So there are also a variety of restaurants serving delicious food. So let's see. So these kind of location maps are installed in various places so that you don't get lost. This is where you can relax when you take a break from shopping. So we are entering from the East Gate 1. As soon as we enter, on the right we see that there is a food court. On this cart you can see that there are demo food items that you can order. These are various restaurants that you can choose from. This one is a waffle filled with cream. Different kinds of flavors. So these are transparent separators between the tables to follow social distancing. Even though there are very few cases of corona over here, we still follow social distancing. This is the seating over there. This is Little Donuts and Crepe. We ordered 2 almond crepe. This is all the cream. And then they pour the caramel sauce and the almonds over it. So this is how it looks.
Wow. Awesome.
Wow, it's amazing. There is also a kids play area over here. They named it as Beachside Kids Park. This is how it looks. This is made with sponge so that the kids don't get hurt. This is the seating facing the port. When you come outside from the back door, you can see the Taichung Harbor. Inside the mall, we see that there are various discounts. This one is a Japanese shoe brand. We can see from the design that it's quite different from others and it's very comfortable to wear. There are various branch stores and there are also theme based stores like this one. This one is Greece based store. Even the chandelier over here is Greece based. And this one is another theme based store which has all the living and bedding related stuff. As you see, the appearance and the setting is quite attractive. This store is very famous for massaging recliners. They have just the foot massagers, just the neck massagers and also the whole body massagers as well. So this massager costs about 1 lakh NTD. Looks quite royal, isn't it? So this is second floor. We have a lot of restaurants over here. Actually better than food court. They are mainly Japanese restaurants. This one is Japanese restaurant again. So here the food is passed like this and when we pick up the order, the bill is made according to the items we pick up. This one is Hawaii restaurant, famous for American food. This is one and only waterfront Ferris wheel from where you can experience Taichung Harbor from a very different angle. The view is even more beautiful in the night. The concept of this outlet park is to make shopping of international and domestic brands easier than ever by offering trustworthy products of highest quality at affordable prices. Shoppers can witness a unique culture and characteristic flavors, resulting in an extraordinary experience, and the shoppers feel as if they were on a sightseeing trip. As you see, the environment is quite clean and safe. This is Japanese spirit of hospitality, which is called omotenashi. So these outlet parks are located far away from the city to reduce the operating costs. The ambience is great as well. For outlet parks, the running cost can be reduced to the minimum because goods are directly supplied by the manufacturers or dealers. This is a Korean brand. There are very pretty dresses over here at 80% off. This is Armani. They have discounts, but when compared to the other brands, they have very less discounts. So Michael Kors also offered 40% discount on all the goods. As you see, there are pretty jackets and bags. No matter what your age is or what your style is, you won't leave empty-handed. So this is how the Ferris wheel looks like in the evening after sunset.
Where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
So this is all about Mitsui Outlet Park in Taichung. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.